Bonjour, l'argent de poche, pocket money. So today's video is all about understanding the culture and civilization of lesson 7, and this video is especially for class 9th. I have made a separate list for all the lessons of culture and civilization for class 9th and for class 10. So keep referring to those videos. If you have any problem, do ask me in the comments below. So let's quickly jump into today's video with question 1. Como gagnez-vous votre argent de poche? How do you earn your pocket money? Whenever the question is in vous, it's always a personalized question. You can always change it as per your uh, understanding of sentence structure. For example, the sentence that I have written here is Je gagne mon argent de poche par garder les enfants et par travailler le week-end. So I earn my pocket money by taking care. Garder is the verb which means to take care. By taking care of the children and by working on weekend. Question 2. Combien d'argent de poche vous recevez par mois ou par semaine? So I receive, okay? I'm not able to put the accent on this reçois, but yes, there's an accent below the alphabet C, that's accent cedi, so please put that. Je reçois 1000 rupees par mois, so I receive 1000 rupees per month. Again, you can keep changing the answers. Question 3. Que faites-vous avec votre argent de poche? So now, what do you do with your pocket money? Avec mon argent de poche, j'achète des cadeaux pour ma famille, des livres et je vais au cinéma avec mes amis. So what can I do? I buy gifts for my family, some books, and I go to cinema with my friends. Question 4. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut pour ouvrir un compte sur livret? So what is necessary for opening a bank account? What are the things that you need when you open a bank account? So pour ouvrir un compte sur livret, the first thing that you need is il faut une carte d'identité. You need an identity card. Second thing, l'autorisation des parents. You need parents' permission. And the third thing, a premier versement de 50 rupees. So first deposit of 50 euros. Question 5. Qu'est-ce que c'est la carte junior? So when you open a bank account, you basically get a card. Okay, you don't have to apply for that card, but you get that card automatically when you open a bank account. So that is carte junior. La carte junior est une carte personnelle contre reçoit. Again, there is an accent below C, okay? I was not able to get this in autocorrection, I don't know why. So you can just put it. La carte junior est une carte personnelle qu'on reçoit, that we receive when we open the bank account. So it's basically a debit card. Question 6. Que fait-on avec la carte junior? So now what do you do with the debit card? Avec la carte junior, on retire de l'argent du distributeur. So with debit card, we withdraw. Retire is withdraw. We withdraw money from the ATM machine. Question 7. Quelles sont vos activités préférées? Which are your favorite activities? Again, you can keep changing your answer. Je préfère écouter. Whenever you write two verbs in French, the second is always an infinitive form. What is infinitive form? The complete spelling of the verb. So, je préfère écouter de la bonne musique. I prefer to listen good music. Aller à la discothèque, go to discothèque, and to the concert with my friends. Again, if you want to write any other answer, please put it down in the comment section and I'll check it for you. Question 8. Quel temps fait-il à Paris en août? So how is the weather in Paris in the month of August? En août à Paris, le ciel est gris. The sky is gray. Il pleut, it rains, et il y a du vent frais. And there is fresh wind. Question 9. So that's a very small chapter of these questions. 10 questions are there. Question 9. Que savez-vous du Forum de job d'été? Forum de job d'été est organisé pour ceux qui cherchent un emploi. So it's basically, it is something that is organized for those who are searching a job. Chercher is to search. They're searching a job. Il y a de nombreux recruteurs present. So there are various recruiters. What is recruiter or who are recruiters? Somebody who hires you is called a recruiter. So il y a de nombreux recruiters. There are several recruiters presented for proposing you some offers of job for summer. They offer you jobs for summer. Il y a aussi des ateliers. There are also some steps Purvuzede for helping you to write your CV, lettre de motivation, etc. So they also help you to write your CV, lettre de motivation, etc. Last question, la dernière question. Qui a réalisé le film L'Arche de Poche? So who has directed this film L'Arche de Poche? François Truffaut a réalisé le film L'Arche de Poche en 1976. Okay, 1976. So there are 10 questions in this lesson. Lesson number 7, that is L'Argent de Poche. For every French paper, always remember to learn culture and civilization first because that's one of the most scoring section. We know the type of questions that will already be there in the question papers. In your board exam also, majority of the time, or I would say 99% of the time, culture and civilization is the same that is being discussed in schools. Okay, that is something that I am discussing with you in my videos. So it is 99% same. There are 1% chance that a question is twisted and you don't know, but we're going to even cover that. Okay. If you feel that you have doubt in any topic, please feel free to put it down in the comments below. I would love to help and make video on the same topic. Till then, keep learning. Au revoir. Thank you so much.